students. How are you all? Yesterday you enjoyed your lecture? Yes? What did we talk what did we learn yesterday? Yes, to make friendship with nouns. Right? How many group of friends were there? There were 4 groups, right? How many groups were there? There were 4 groups. One made friendship with S. The other made friendship with ES. Then they had a fight with Y. And they had a fight with F. Now what happened over here? Here they were alone. Right? And they wanted to become more. So what did they do? They included S in their group. Right? So for example, if it was a boy, that means he was single and he wanted to become many boys, what did he do? He included the S in his team, right? Girl will become girls. Means what they do in the end of the word, they join the S, right? So this is the girl and in the end he has joined S, right? Cup, C-U-P cup, it will become C-U-P-S cup. So what they are doing here, they are making friends and including them in their whole group, right? So this was one type of team. Another type of team, what did they do? With S, they included E also. What did they do? They included E also. But where? The words which were ending in S, SS, CH, SH, X and O. What did all these friends do? They included ES in their team. Who included ES in their team? The words which were ending in S, double S, CH, SH, X and O. Now who are these? Let's check. S, BUS bus. Bus became buses, right? They included ES. See here. Now double S, class. CLA double S class. Class became classes. CLA double S ES. Okay. Now CH. In the school you sit on bench, right? So the bench BENCH will become BENCHES. Benches. SH, bush, BUSH, bush. Bush will become BUSHES, bushes. X. Now for X, BOX, box. Box will become boxes, right? And the words ending in O. Come on, think of the words ending in O. Mango, right? So MANGO, mango will become mangoes. MANGOES, mangoes, right? And then what happened? ये जो Y है ना, Y के साथ हमेशा झगड़ा होता था. We had a fight with Y. Why? Because he was not agreeing to the things with us, right? So the words ending in Y will remove Y from their group. Now what are they going to do? They are going to remove the Y from their group. Now they are going to make friend also. When if they are removing one member, they will become less. So they have to include also. So what they are going to include is IES, right? Now BABY, baby will become babies. Baby will become babies. We will remove the Y the Y and add IES. FARIES. Fairies, right? So this was the third group which removed the Y and added and included IES in their group, right? And the other group was F. F bhi jhagda ho gaya. They had a fight with F also and they throw away the S. Who did they include? VES. किससे दोस्ती करी? VES. Leaf. 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 अब क्या किया? F से झगड़ा कर लिया, F को हटा दिया, हट गया F. अब हमने नया मेंबर भी तो शामिल किया ना VES, तो इसको हम इसके साथ जोड़ देंगे. क्या हो गया? LEAVES. Leaves. Thief. 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 Now it is ending in F, so we will remove the F. Now what will it become? It will become THIEVES. Now F को तो हम हटा ही रहे थे, इसके साथ साथ हमने FE को भी हटा दिया. हमको FE भी नहीं चाहिए, राइट? तो हमने FE को भी हटा दिया. Knife. KNIFE. Knife will become, FE को हटा दिया, remove the FE. Now it will become KNIVES. Knives, right? So these were the four categories, four groups we learned yesterday. Okay, now be ready with your grammar books. We are going to write down this chapter. Okay, so bring your pencil, eraser, a scale, a sharpener, and be ready. Yes. Hope all are getting ready. I'm waiting for you. Okay, you get ready by the time even I am getting ready. So on the heading we will write down nouns, and instead of this class I am going to write here chapter 4. On the red line or the first line you will write down chapter 4, right? Nouns, and here you write singular and plural. Singular and plural, right? Now coming to the next line, number 1, singular. Singular means only one thing, right? Only one thing, singular. Plural, plural means many, right? Now how to form plurals? Next topic is how to form plural. How do we form the plurals? By now, how to form plural? Question mark. And here we will write down number 1, that is rule number 1. Rule number 1. This you can color it with a sketch pen so that it will be highlighted, and whenever you open your book you can see that rule is in front of you. So rule number 1 you can write down with any colored sketch pen. Now you write it with a pencil, then you can use a colored sketch pen to highlight it. Okay? Now what is the first rule? What is the first rule? Remember the first party, what did the first group of friends do? They included the S. So most of the nouns form their plural by adding, what are they adding? S. Most of the nouns form their plural by adding S. Now here this S has to be highlighted, right? Now you are going to write this S with a colored sketch pen, or any color pencil also will do, that is no problem. Anything, but it should be highlighted. Okay? Shall we move further? Yes, completed. Okay, now we are moving further. What you are going to do is, now see, you have to divide your page into two. So instead of taking a scale and making a line, what you are going to do is turn this page like this. Can you see me? Yes. When you turn the page and fold it slightly, you will get an artificial line. See, this is your artificial line. It cannot be seen, but you can understand that yes, this is a line. Okay, and then on this you can keep your scale and make a neat, clean, proper line, right? Now what are we going to do is, we will divide my page into two parts. One side will be singular and the other, see, this is your line. Okay, this will be the plural part, right? Okay, is it clear, children? Are you following me? What I am telling you? You have to divide the page into two parts. One side you will write down singular and the other side you will write down the plurals, right? Now, the rule is by adding S. So, put down an S over here like this. Okay, it will be very easy for you. Word number 1. Now, you are studying from your book, you are writing in your book. So, one book and plural of book is books, correct. So, we are going to add the S and it will become many. One book, many books, right? The next word. Oh, you all like to play with balloons, right? So, one balloon, many balloons. Balloon, what is the spelling of balloon? See the sound. B-A-L-L-O-N, loon. Balloon, right? It will become balloons. B-A-L-L-O-N-S. We have included the S. Number 3. Now, you drink your milk in your cup. Right? Everybody drinks the milk in the cup. Now, one cup, many cups. Cup will become cups. You're writing with your pencil? Yes, one pencil. If you have many, then it will become pencils. Next word is eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. S-E-R. It will become erasers. E-R-A-S-E-R-S. Erasers. Number 5. Oh, sorry, 6. This is number 6. Cake. Oh, my mouth has started watering on listening the name of cake, right? You all love cake. So cake will become cakes, right? The next one, number 7, is egg. Now, egg. Some children eat egg. Yes, egg has a lot of proteins. So, egg will become eggs. Next, number 8. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand will become hands. Flower. Oh, a bouquet of flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. You remember the name? Yes, flowers are very pretty. They are very beautiful. Lotus is our national flower, right? So, flower will become flowers. Then, bag. Okay, you bring your bag to your school. Nowadays, you don't have to carry your bag. It is on your table only. So, bag will become bags. B-A-G-S. Bags, right? So, this is how the first team made their plurals, right? They included S in their family. Okay? Were you all writing with me? Hope your work is also complete with me. Blue line to blue line. No dirty writing. Complete? Okay. We'll now move on to the next group. That is, now they are going to include the ES. Correct. They are going to include ES. Shall I erase it? Yes. Okay. Now we are going to write down the second rule. What we'll write down? Number 2, that is rule number 2. Yes. Nouns ending in S, double S, CH. Write these apart. Give 3-finger space. After each letter, you give 3-finger space. S is complete, 3-finger space. Double S is complete, then again 3-finger space, so that it will not get hodgepodge and it will make you easy to understand. Okay. S, double S, CH, SH, X and O. Now these words ending in these letters form their plural. Form their plural by adding ES. Now see, this has to be highlighted. This has to be highlighted. Clear? Now again what we are going to do is we will write ES in bracket and then we will divide the page into 2 parts for singular and plural. So divided, singular, plural. Right? following me? Number 1. Word ending in S. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. How will it form its plural? By adding ES. So it will become B-U-S-E-S. Buses. Right? Next word. Double S. C-L-A-S-S. Class. You're missing your class? Yes, but on virtual class you are there. Right? So class will become classes. C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Classes. You drink water in a glass? Yes. Glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. It will become G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. Right? Now, moving on to the next, number 4. Double S we have finished. Now CH. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. Yes, church. Church is a name of a place of worship. The Christians go to the church to offer prayers. क्रिश्चियन लोग जो हैं वो चर्च में जाते हैं पूजा करने के लिए. So church, many church will become churches. Next, torch. T-O-R-C-H. Torch will become torches. Number 6, bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench will become benches. Right? So this is how you are going to form the plural of CH. Now we move on to the SH. Number 7. B-U-S-H. Bush. Bush will become bushes. B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. Next. Dish. D-I-S-H. Dish. Dish will become dishes. Right? Yes. Now moving on to the X. Box. B-O-X. Box. Box will become boxes. So isn't it very easy that now I'm sending you have to remember the rule. You don't have to forget the rule. If you remember the rule in your life anytime whenever you have to make the plural form, it will become very easy. So the bus will become buses, class will become classes, glass will become glasses, church will become churches, torch, torches, bench, benches, bush, bushes, dish, dishes, box, boxes. And the last words are with O. How we have to form the plural? We have to form the plural words ending in O. Mango, right? M-A-N-G-O. Mango will become mangoes. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Tomato will become tomatoes. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato will become potatoes. this is how you are going to form the plurals. Okay. Now we move on to rule number 3. दोस्ती दोस्ती बहुत हो गई है, अब हमारा झगड़ा भी होता है, right? We disagree also, and when we disagree, we remove the friend from our team. अब झगड़ा हो गया तो हमने उसको हमारी टीम से निकाल दिया. अब रूल नंबर 3 में हम क्या करेंगे, y को निकाल देंगे और उसकी जगह हम लेके आएंगे IES. We are going to bring in IES in place of y, right? So hope you all have completed. Shall I erase it? Yes? Okay. Now we move on to rule number 3. What is the rule number 3? Yes, rule number 3. Nouns ending in y will form their plural by removing the y. By removing यानी हटाना, removing the y and adding. Now what are we going to add? IES. So this must be underlined. Okay. So what are we going to do? Remove the y and add IES. y को हटा देंगे टीम में से और IES को शामिल कर लेंगे. Now after this again the same procedure. Write down IES in brackets and divide the page into 2. Singular and plural, right? Now we come to the word number 1. Yes, the first word is pony. P-O-N-Y. You know what is a pony? Baby horse. Pony. Now we are going to remove the Y. We'll put a cut on the Y and here it will become ponies. The next word is baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. Again the Y will be cut. We'll put a cut on the Y and the answer is B-A-B-I-E-S. Babies. Number 3. Fairy. F-A-I-R-Y. Fairy. Fairy and a pari. Right. Now the Y is to be removed. F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Fairies. Number 4. City. C-I-T-Y. City. The Y again will be removed. City. C-I-T-I-E-S. Cities. Number 5. Story. S-T-O-R-Y. Story. Now story will become stories. Right. Now stop cutting the Y. Here till here you have understood how to form the plural and now we will stop cutting the Y. Right. Then diary. D-I-A-R-Y. Diary will become D-I-A-R-I-E-S. Diaries. Clear? So read after me. Nouns ending in Y will form their plural by removing the Y and adding IES. become ponies. Baby will become babies. Fairy will become fairies. City will become cities. Story, stories. Dairy, dairies. Diary, sorry, it's not a dairy, it's a diary. Diary, diaries. Okay? Lady, number 7, L-A-D-Y. Lady will become ladies. Lily, L-I-L-Y. Lily will become L-I-L-I-E-S. Lilies. Trophy, T-R-O-P-H-Y. Trophy. This trophy means when you win in a match or a game, you get a trophy, right? So trophy will become trophies. P-H-I-E-S. Reply. Number 10. Reply. R-E-P-L-Y. Reply will become replies. R-E-P-L-I-E-S. Replies. Right? So here we had a fight with Y and we told him to go away from our team and we took into our team I-E-S. And this is how we form the plurals with the words ending in Y. Right? Finish? Let's move further. Yes? Okay. Rule number 4. Moving on to rule number 4. Now, here, nouns ending in F will form their plural by removing the F, and adding VES. There they added IES. Here we are going to add VES, right? So again you are going to write here VES, the same procedure, singular and plural. Now number 1, leave. It's ending in F, right? Here we may also write like this, F or FE here. Okay, so nouns ending in F or FE will form the plural by removing the F and FE and adding VES, right? So leaf will become, we'll remove the F, L-E-A, we have removed the F, we'll cut it and we'll add VES. So it becomes leaves. Next, thief, T-H-I-E-F. Thief will become T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Now, number 3, L-O-A-F, loaf. You know what is a loaf? A piece of bread. So the F again I cut it and then it will become Loaves. Loaves. Number 4. Calf. Yes, young one of a cow. Calf. F, we'll remove the F. Calves. Calves. Next. Knife. Knife. Now see here. Knife. Knife. You know what is knife? It is a sharp object. Yes, we may hurt our hands. Knife means chakku. Okay. So, we must not play with knife. Now, how is the spelling of knife? Knife. It is ending in fe. So, we will remove the fe. Now, what will happen? We have taken him out from a group and we are going to add ves. So, what will be the spelling? Knives. Knives. Right? Next. Wolf. WOLF. Wolf will become WOLPES. Wolves. Half. HALF. Half will become HALVES. Halves. Number 8. LIFE. Life. It will become LIVES. Lives. Wife. 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 WIVES. Wives. And the last word. We have come to the last word and the last word is sheaf. SHEAF will become SHEAVES. Right? So, hope it is very clear the 4 rules of forming the plurals which we have done. The first one is by adding S, the second one is by adding ES, the third one is by removing the Y and adding IES, and the last one is by removing F and adding VES. Hope you all will complete your work, and while completing your work you are going to enjoy a lot. And here we come to the end of this 4 rules and we will continue the chapter in the next period. Okay. By then, bye-bye. Keep your copies complete, for you have to submit your copies in the school also, right? So, bye.